Good afternoon, and we have recovered some of the losses that we had registered in trade yesterday. So Nifty is holding on to some marginal amount of gains in trade today near that 25,140 mark, holding on to gains of nearly 100 odd points as we speak. And Nifty Bank, although it's out underperforming in trade today, but despite that up a solid 170 odd points near that 56,185 mark. But let's also take a look at some of the individual sectors which continue to remain in focus, and select auto stocks are under pressure. Tata Motors up for you on your screens. That one is the biggest loser on the Nifty Auto Index. Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Auto, they are also under pressure today, down anywhere between 0.5 to 1.5 odd%. All of these are some of the other losers from the Nifty Auto Index. On the gaining side, though, pharma stocks continue to remain on fire. We also have metal stocks which are shining bright. Hindustan Copper, that one at 359, the biggest gainer on the Nifty Metal Index. Tata Steel, that one has reported its operational updates a couple of minutes ago. But the entire basket anyway is in focus. Tata Motors at 176. NMDC is also holding on to gains of nearly 2.5 to 3 odd%. We also have pharma stocks which are on fire today on the back of some news that came in from the United States, where they said that they could be excluding generics pharma from the entire tariff tantrum. And we have Aurobindo Pharma, which generates significant amount of revenue from exporting generics to the United States. So Aurobindo Pharma, that one is holding up with gains of a solid 4.5%. Lupin and Dr. Reddy's are also some of the other gainers from the pharma index. In terms of other broader markets gainers, let's put the spotlight on some gainers from the top Nifty 500 index. Strides Pharma in sync with what the other pharma stocks are doing. Moil, that one is sitting with gains of a solid 3.5%. Granules at about 570. On the losing side, Restaurants Brands Asia, this is the top loser on the Nifty 500 index, down 4.5%. ITI and RHI Magnesita. Remember, this stock has been in focus for the last several trading sessions, continues to remain in focus, and these are also some of the other losers from the broader market. But on an index level, Snehi, it's turning out to be a good day, and Nifty is holding on to solid gains of nearly 0.4% as we speak.